guys? NateVlog here. Welcome back to the channel. Groovy vibes. Good morning. It's breakfast time. And what are we going to eat? We're going to try the Top Ramen chicken flavored original by Nissin. This isn't just the regular Top Ramen, alright? We done that, did it a long time ago, finished. This is the deluxe version, alright? Look at that big bowl right there. Yeah, alright. So, what do we need to do here? Is it the same type of situation? Oh, look at that. This is the teriyaki version. Teriyaki sauce. Wow. So I thought what we actually had to do is use the boiling hot water, but apparently it says we have to microwave it. So yeah, anyways, okay. Let's get to the microwave. Come on. So there it is, Top Ramen. Ready in 3 minutes. So if we can, oh gosh, what the hell? Yo, open. Oh, what? There we go. Alright, so yeah. Here's the flavor sauce. I think that's the teriyaki. So we empty these in there. Get these open. So first one is, oh wait, chicken flavor. Hold on. Which flavor do we leave out? Okay, so yeah. Alright, yeah, just set aside this one and add these two in. Okay. There's our veggies. Look at that. Wow. Alright then. Next, chicken flavor. Put that in there. Do I really smell that now? Okay. Whole kitchen smelling like this. Chicken flavor. Hopefully it's not artificial, right? There we go. Now we fill up the water until that line right there. Can you see that line? Yep. Okay. Need one more. Perfect. Alright, let's close her up. Chill. There we go. Put her in there. 3 minutes. There it is, and it's so hot. Ugh. Yeah. See, now I thought the water would disappear and it would just turn into noodles, but no, this is ramen soup. Alright, anyways, so yep, teriyaki now. Yeah. Whoa. Steaming hot, can't even see. Okay, let's go ahead and mix it. Teriyaki ramen noodles. And I guess the veggies are bigger. Look at that. Yeah, because it's the deluxe version, alright? Perfect. Terminado. Okay, take a look at it one more time. There it is. Let's try it out now. Top Ramen. Here we go. Deluxe. And still no chunks of chicken. Wow. It is so hot. Okay, let's just go in there. Come on. Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Oh, so hot, steaming up my glasses. Wow. Okay. It's actually pretty good. Not bad. Okay. Japan. Nice job. That's a good breakfast right there. So noodles are perfect. Let's go ahead and try the broth now. Oh god, scary, but yeah, there goes my mouth. Oh, ah, yeah. I taste the teriyaki. Wow, this is a lot better than those normal ones you get, the little square packages. Yep, that's the regular version. This is the better, definitely. That teriyaki, oof. Okay, yeah, that's tasty right there. But little bites, because oof, so hot, so hot. Wow. Still waiting for it to cool down so I could actually really get in there and taste it. Here we go, a little sip. Ugh. Mmm. A little bite. Oh. Burning. But yeah, while it's cooling down, check out this YouTube shirt. Wow, NateVlog YouTube shirts. Amazing. All right. That's what I'm talking about. NateVlog, huh? Top of the line YouTuber right here. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that helped. Yeah, there's a spicy. All right, time to cough. Here we go. Yeah. Starting to cool down now. Can really get in there. Let's try that broth. Now the broth is spicy. 8 out of 10. No doubt. Excellent meal. Breakfast completed. But let's just check the calories here. Oh wow, there's 2. Without the teriyaki is 370. With it is 400. Has vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium. So there we have it. Masarap. Esto es muy delicioso. Picante though. So highly recommend getting this one rather than just the little square packets. All right. So cheers. Arigato gozaimasu. Yeah, hiya. Ooh, spiciness is really kicking in now. Ooh, yeah. Once you start getting to the bottom, that's where all the veggies are. Look at all those carrots. Carrot bite. Ugh. You got corn. I think that's bell pepper. Oh god, coughing it out. Yeah, we're done with this. Finished. Ugh. Yeah. Whew. All right. One more sip of the broth. Yeah, I'm done. I'm full. I'm good. Oh. Thumbs up, everybody. Anyways, that's the review. Hope you guys dig it all the way. Hit up my PayPal, Venmo, description down below. Thank you everybody for supporting. And now that you've seen this review, go out there and yeah, get this. Thumbs up on my approval. So yeah, that's why you watch these videos. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't know what to eat, right? Yeah, that's why you always watch my videos, everybody. So yeah, big ups, top ramen, top.